Today, we salute you, Mr. Ice Fishing Guy. While the average man huddles indoors, patiently waiting for 3 feet of ice, you defy physics and common sense, boldly venturing onto a 2-inch sheet with a 96 Ford Bronco and 5 rusty tip-ups.
Keep on driving.
In a remarkable blend of Jesus and Evel Knievel, you walk on that water with the grace of a miracle worker and the mind of a madman.
Look at me.
With the concentration of a professional athlete, your mission is clear: to return home with no less than 3 prized perch and a legendary bluegill without having to call 911.
That's a fatty.